Okay, it's recording. I was tagged all the way back in February to do the clean house tag. But at that time, between me and my son, we were really sick. We were sick for about 2 months, battling the flu. We both had relapses. Then we had stomach bugs. It was just a crazy time. I thought we were never going to get better. And then finally we did, and before you know it, I was doing vlog every day in April, and that kind of has taken over for videos. So today I figured, why not combine the two? Why not finally do this tag and continue to do my vlog every day in April? I was tagged by the lovely lady Jennifer that you are now seeing on your screen, and there are 10 questions. So the first question is, how often do you clean your house? Well, I have daily routines, and I do one big cleaning once a week. But this is real life, and there are days that I don't do my daily cleaning, and there are weeks that I don't do my big cleaning. You know, life gets in the way, things get behind, and I would love to have perfect days and perfect weeks and get everything done, but that's just not the case. But I do what I can do. The second question is, do you have a style or method of cleaning? Well, I guess the style would be that I do have daily routines, and my method would be on my big cleaning. I kind of keep track of the bigger items that don't necessarily need to be cleaned every week, but do need to be cleaned every now and then. So I actually keep like a little schedule of when I did it and when I need to do it again. That way it just keeps me on track and kind of gives me a time frame to know how long it's going to be before I have to do it again, and what I'm doing specifically on that clean day, so that when I get up in the morning, get ready, I know exactly what I'm tackling. I got this at the Dollar Tree. You could just write it down on any piece of paper. I just thought for $1 it was cute, and this is what I use to track my big cleanings, like windows, you know, the inside of the oven, things like that. You know, walls that you're not necessarily having to clean every week. This is what I use. The method works for me. The third question is, what is your least favorite room or area to clean? I'm gonna go with area. Any areas that have electronics, TVs, computers, you know, anything like that, video game consoles. Those are just so hard to keep clean. To me, they're a nuisance. They get in the way. It's hard to clean around them. It's hard to clean them. So I would say any area that has electronics. Question number 4. What is your favorite room to clean? My favorite room to clean is my parlor. It's the least room that we use in the house, because we have a den and that's where we do our daily living. My parlor is more when we have company. So, you know, you don't always have company, so it seems to get less use, which means it gets less dusty, less messed up, and it seems to be a room that I don't have to clean every week. So I would have to pick that room. Question number 5. What is your least favorite chore? My least favorite chore is vacuuming. I don't know what it is about me and the vacuum, but we are just not friends. I just don't like to vacuum. I really, really don't. The next question is, what is your favorite chore? This is actually kind of the same, but opposite. My favorite chore is to sweep. I love to sweep. I don't know what it is about sweeping the floors. I just find it so therapeutic, and I just love doing it. And it's crazy because when you vacuum, you're cleaning the floor, but I just don't like to vacuum. But I love to sweep. Question number 7. What is your favorite cleaning brand or product? Now, it is my goal to do my own cleaning products. I want to get away from the chemicals. It bothers my bronchitis. It's strong. It's hard on your hands. But I'm a couponer, and I have quite a stockpile on cleaners, so I need to use that all first because my frugality says I have to, and then once that's all wiped out, I'm going to do my own DIY cleaners. But in the meantime, and I don't know, I think I will actually still continue to use these, but In the meantime, my favorite cleaning products are the Pledge Multi-Surface. It does granite, metal, wood, glass, electronics. I love this thing. It's like a one-stop shop. I take it in every room I need to clean it and it gets the job done. Right now I'm using the lavender and peach blossom. I also like the cashmere. They come out with like different scents like for the seasons, and I'm all about that. So whatever season happens to be in is the scent that I go with, but this is one of my favorite, and I honestly don't think I'm going to give this up. And I don't find the scent too strong anyway. My second product is definitely Murphy's oil to do the wood floors. It's really the only thing I trust. I really do like this product. I have been using it for years, so I think I will continue to use that also. And then probably the one I use the most out of the ones that are my favorite is definitely the Lysol disinfectant wipes. This is my all-time favorite. I don't really care for the Clorox, and I use this on a daily basis. So again, this is another product I don't think I'm going to give up. I know you can make your own. Maybe I will to try it, but you know, for now, this is definitely what I use every day. And then what is a cleaning product you don't recommend? Speaking of disinfectant wipes, I know they are very popular. I know tons of people use them, and that's great. My sister uses them, my niece uses them. I don't like them at all. It is the Dollar Tree disinfectant wipes. I think they're so cheap. I think they're so generic. I don't think they clean. I don't like them. Sorry for the people who do. That's great. I just don't like them whatsoever. They cost $1. These cost a lot more, but I do coupon, and when I do coupon, I pay $1.50. That 50 cents is so worth it because this is so much better, in my opinion. Question number 9. What is your favorite cleaning hack? My favorite cleaning hack is to use a daily shower spray on the shower walls and on the tub every day. By the time you go to clean your tub, I mean, I do my tub once a week. I don't know if you do it more. I do it once a week, and I think it's good enough because I do the daily wash every day with the shower spray. But this is what I use. I will leave the ingredients down in the description box if you want to make it. Anytime after somebody takes a shower or a bath or washes their hair, whatever it is, I just go give it a good spritz, leave it alone. This has essential oil in the ingredients, but if you're going to use essential oils, use a dark bottle. This is not dark enough, this spray bottle. It's just what I have on hand, so it's what I used. Also, it calls for Dawn, but I have been using the Myers, and when I use the Myers, the scent on the Myers, and really all you're using the essential oils for is the scent. So because this is not the most attractive scent without it. But if you are going to use the Myers, you don't even need the essential oil. So that's what I've been doing. The last Myers I had, I bought it for Christmas, which was the peppermint. And I used that in place of the Dawn, and I didn't need to use the essential oils. And it just smells so good every time I spray it. But if you are going to go with essential oils, get one of those dark bottles, which I did intend on getting, but then I kind of switched over to the Myers, and I don't know, I probably still will, but right now I don't need it because I have that. And the very last question is, have you, do you, or will you ever use a cleaning company to come in and do your cleaning for you? Absolutely not. If I was in that position where I can get a cleaning company, cleaning lady to come in and do my cleaning, I think I would have to be pretty well off. And if that was the case, I would rather take my money and donate it to St. Jude's Hospital. Anything that I would pay for cleaning would go to them. I like to do my own things. I'm OCD. I am controlling. It would drive me nuts. My anxiety would go through the roof if somebody else would come and touch my stuff. So no, I would definitely not. I mean, even if somebody gifted it to me, I would like pay it forward. I would gift it to somebody else who would appreciate it more than me. But yeah, if I was ever in a place where I could afford something like that, I would definitely take that money and donate it to St. Jude. And that completes my 10 questions. Thank you, Jennifer, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.